What I remember is how much I fell in love with the language as a result of the literature, because I always loved the language. You know, it's Mama Lushan. But basically, what I loved when I was reading the great writers was that the language was so plump and so sensual and so expressive and so full of feeling, you know, and I got to see the scope of it. I got to hear what they could say, you know, and it was delicious to me. I could not believe what I was reading. So it was very influential to me, very.